everyone, welcome to another exciting episode where we dive into the magical world of letters. Today, we have something super special planned for you. Can you guess what it is? That's right, we're going to explore the wondrous world of the letter W. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure filled with fun, learning, and lots of surprises. Do you ever wonder how we make the W sound? It's a fascinating process that involves our lips, tongue, and even a bit of air. When we say the letter W, our lips come together and then quickly part, creating a unique sound that is both soft and strong. It's almost like a gentle whisper that carries a lot of weight. Isn't that amazing? It's like a secret code. But don't worry, we're about to crack it. Imagine you're a detective on a mission to uncover the mysteries of the letter W. With each clue we find, we'll get closer to understanding how this wonderful letter works. So, put on your detective hats and let's get started. Today we're going on a super fun adventure to learn all about the letter W and how to say it like a pro. We'll explore words that start with W, like whale, wind, and wonder. We'll also discover how W can be used in the middle of words like flower and power. And don't forget about words that end with W, like snow and glow. There's so much to learn and explore. Are you ready to explore the wondrous world of W with me? Let's go! But first, guess what? We have a special challenge for you. Can you think of 5 words that start with the letter W? Take a moment and see if you can come up with a list. It's a fun way to get your brain warmed up for our adventure. We have tons of other cool videos about letters just like this one. Each video is packed with fun facts, exciting activities, and lots of opportunities to learn and grow. Whether you're just starting to learn your letters or you're a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone. So, make sure to check out our channel for more alphabet adventures. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an episode. We have so many exciting things planned, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the wondrous world of W. See you next time. Meet Wally the Walrus. He's going to be our special guide today. Wally loves the letter W because it's the first letter of his name. Can you say Wally? Wally's whiskers tickle when he says his name. Let's try to make our whiskers tickle too. To make the W sound, we need to blow a little bit of air out of our mouths. This sound is very special because it combines both the lips and the breath. Notice how your lips come together and then part slightly as you push the air out. It's almost like you're preparing to whistle, but instead you create the W sound. It's like giving a gentle whoosh with our lips. Imagine you're softly blowing on a hot cup of cocoa to cool it down. That gentle whoosh is very similar to the W sound. Let's practice together. Try to make the sound as soft and smooth as possible. Remember, it's not a hard blow, just a gentle push of air. Put your hand in front of your mouth and say W. Feel the air as it leaves your mouth. This helps you understand how much air you need to use. It's a great way to check if you're making the sound correctly. If you don't feel the air, try again and focus on that gentle push. Can you feel the warm air on your hand? This warm air is a sign that you're doing it right. The warmth comes from the breath that carries the sound. Practice this a few times to get comfortable with the sensation. Each time you say W, you should feel that same warm air. This is a fun and easy way to master the W sound. Keep practicing and soon it will feel natural. Now that we know how to make the W sound, let's try it with some words. What are some things Wally might like? Watermelon! That's a great one. Let's say it together. Watermelon! And look, it's a wave. Can you say wave? You're getting so good at this. Wally loves to swim in the water. Let's learn some more W words related to water. Wow, it's a whale! Say it with me, whale! And look, more walruses. Let's say hello, walruses. Now that we know so many W words, let's try saying a whole sentence. Wally loves watermelon. Can you say that with me? Here's another one. The whale swims in the water. Let's say it together. Wonderful world tour spotting W around us. The letter W is everywhere. Let's go on a quick world tour to find it. Here's the Great Wall of China. It starts with W, and look, a watch. It starts with W too. Wrap up and review mastering the W sound. We've learned so much about the letter W today. The letter W is a wonderful letter that opens up a world of words and sounds. It's a letter that we see and use every day, and mastering its sound can be a lot of fun. Let's take a moment to review everything we've learned about this fantastic letter. We practiced making the W sound, which is like a gentle whoosh. It's important to remember to round your lips and push the air out softly. This sound is the foundation for many words we use daily. Practicing this sound helps us speak more clearly and confidently. We discovered words that start with W, such as water, whale, window, and wonder. Each of these words has its own unique meaning and use, but they all start with the same wonderful W sound. By learning these words, we expand our vocabulary and improve our communication skills. We even went on a world tour to find the letter W. From the wild jungles to the windy deserts, we saw how the W sound is used in different places and cultures. This adventure showed us that the W sound is universal and important in many languages around the world. Remember, the W sound is like giving a gentle whoosh with our lips. It's a soft and smooth sound that can be practiced anywhere. Whether you're at home, at school, or out and about, you can always take a moment to practice your W sound. Keep practicing with Wally, our friendly guide, who is always here to help you master this sound. And you'll be a W pro in no time. With regular practice and a little bit of patience, you'll find that making the W sound becomes second nature. So keep practicing, keep exploring new words, and keep having fun with the letter W. Remember, every time you use the W sound, you're becoming a better communicator. Great job today, and keep up the fantastic work. What's next? More alphabet adventures. Oh wait, our W adventure might be over for now, but the alphabet fun never ends. Get ready for our next exciting adventure with the letter X. What exciting words will we discover next? Stay tuned to find out. See you soon! Thanks for joining me on this wonderful W adventure. Don't forget to practice your W sounds and check out our other exciting alphabet adventures. See you soon!